I want to help you with what is likely to be the biggest challenge in all of the miniature hobby, and that's finding the time to actually do it. Now, as I've had a look around the YouTube environment, I see a lot of challenge videos where it's like, I built this great big model in 24 hours or 48 hours, and those are very fun, they're very entertaining, fantastic videos in their own right, but it doesn't really sell a realistic view of what it's like to be part of the hobby. So I'm coming up with a new idea, a new plan, so to speak, and it's this. Okay, so what is it? So what am I talking about? Why have I just shown you a Age of Sigmar Spearhead for the Chaos Slaves to Darkness? Well, this new series that I'm creating, which I'm going to call Diary of a Mini Hobbyist, this is about setting myself a time limit. Like some of you guys, I have to go to work, I have things to do around the house with my family, so on and so forth. Not to mention I have to make these videos as well, so that also takes a lot of time. So I'm going to limit myself 1 hour per day, Monday to Friday, to actually work on this spearhead. Nothing going on behind the scenes, off camera, no extra time, no cutting corners. I'm going to show you every problem that I come across, every idea that I have, good or bad, used or unused. I'm going to build every single model that is in the box, and then I'm going to paint them all according to a theme that I'm going to pick and set out. They're all going to be based, and it will take as long as it takes. I get 1 hour per day, Monday through Friday, to build and paint, because for you guys, maybe an hour is all you get. So let's see how we do. I'm pretty excited. This is Cursed Crusader Arts.